Hello! In this video, I'll be showing you how to create and edit returns using the T5 as an example. First, to get to the Form screen, head to 3, Forms and Data, and click on View and Edit Forms. You can also navigate to the toolbar, click Forms, and then Forms Center. Either method will come up with the Forms Center screen, which lists all currently active returns. This is where you'll choose the return type you're editing. To edit your selected return type, click on Edit Slips. If your form isn't listed, please see our video on configuring data files. The fields on the slip page correspond to the information reported on the return. Some of the fields that have limited options, such as the T5 recipient type, have blue triangles in the box. Double-clicking the box will allow you to open a selection screen, listing the options available. Some fields may also have a pencil beside them, indicating that the field is auto-calculated but can be overwritten by double-clicking on the pencil. To create a new form, navigate to the top of the page and click the paper with a green plus sign. To delete a form, click the paper with a red X. To navigate between slips, use the arrows in the toolbar. To pull up a list of all of the slips in this return type, click on the paper with the magnifying glass. Most of the slips in eForms have 2 tabs: a Data tab for return information, such as income, and an Advanced tab for additional information, such as the recipient's email address. The fields marked with an asterisk in the Advanced tab are only available with eForms Enterprise. There are also forms like the T5013 Partnership Return, which have multiple tabs representing sections of the return. At the top right of each form screen is a line of buttons that link to related returns, such as the summary. If we click Go to Summary, it will open the summary. Some fields, like the account number field on a summary, have a green arrow next to them. Clicking on this arrow will take you to the related field in a different form. In this case, clicking the account number on the T5 summary took me to the company setup screen, where the account number can be entered. Thank you for watching this AvanTax eForms QuickHelp video. For more information, please visit our website at avantax.ca/eForms.